Garmin is preparing something big for its next flagship. Not just better battery, but a smarter, more advanced outdoor watch with upgraded sensors, improved display technology, and stronger connectivity. That's exactly what the Garmin Fenix 9 leaks are pointing toward right now, and this looks like a major step forward in Garmin's lineup. The expected release timeline now points toward late summer to second half of 2026, most likely around August or September, based on Garmin's typical launch cycle. In terms of pricing, it is expected to remain in the premium category, likely starting around $900 to $1,100, depending on the model and variants. Now coming to the biggest expected upgrades. Battery and solar technology. Garmin is expected to push battery performance even further with improved solar charging technology. The next generation solar layer is expected to be more efficient, helping extend battery life significantly. Early expectations suggest the Fenix 9 could deliver multiple weeks of usage, with extended modes lasting even longer, which continues Garmin's strong focus on endurance. Display technology. One of the biggest changes is expected in the display. Garmin may move toward a brighter and more advanced AMOLED display, and there are also discussions around micro-LED technology. The goal is to improve visibility and clarity while still maintaining strong battery efficiency, reducing the usual trade-off between screen quality and battery life. Advanced health and sensors. Garmin is expected to introduce a new generation sensor system, likely improving heart rate accuracy and overall health tracking. There are also strong discussions around more advanced health features like blood pressure tracking and future possibilities such as non-invasive glucose monitoring. Even if not all features arrive immediately, the focus is clearly on deeper health insights. GPS and tracking accuracy. Garmin is already known for its accuracy, and the Fenix 9 is expected to improve this further with enhanced multi-band GNSS and possibly even tri-band tracking. This means more precise tracking in difficult environments like mountains, forests, and urban areas. Connectivity and smart features. Connectivity is another key upgrade. The Fenix 9 is expected to expand LTE and satellite communication features, allowing messaging, location sharing, and emergency support without relying on a phone. This makes it more useful for outdoor adventures and adds a strong safety advantage. In terms of design, Garmin is expected to keep the same rugged and premium look with durable materials and multiple size options. The focus remains on internal upgrades rather than major design changes. Overall, the Garmin Fenix 9 is shaping up to be a powerful and refined upgrade. The main improvements are expected in battery life, display technology, health tracking, GPS accuracy, and connectivity, all areas that matter most for serious users. All of this is based on current leaks and early information, and final details may still change at launch. But based on what is circulating right now, this is expected to be one of the most advanced outdoor smartwatches in its category. That's everything we know so far about the Garmin Fenix 9. If these upgrades turn out to be accurate, this could be one of the most powerful outdoor smartwatches Garmin has ever made. For more latest leaks, comparisons, and smartwatch updates, stay tuned to SmartWatch Radar.